Welcome to a video from digitalize.com. In this video we're going to have a look at the new Windows 10 build 14951 for Windows Insiders on the fast ring. And I'm not using my Lumia 950 today to do this. I'm actually using my old 1520 because the 950 was sticking on 0%, and then that apparently is due to upgrading from the previous build to this new build. And there is a workaround which involves changing the dates and some other stuff and changing to fast and slow rings, and I'll include a link to that with the blog post that goes along with this video. But anyway, I've now got it working actually, but this was ready first, so I thought I'd do it on this one, which had an old build, and I've just put it onto the fast ring and got the build. There's not actually a lot of changes in this. Most of the changes were actually on the PC side of things, but there is an updated camera app with what Microsoft call a simplified user interface. You can see you've got the options there. And to be honest, you can't see a huge amount of difference with this. They used to call them high contrast buttons. I don't know whether that's really the case, but they are easy to see on there. The zooms are nice and easy to use, and the settings button is easy to get to on there as well. Also, it was new on the PC version, was this capture live images. This has been available for a while for the Lumias, but that is where it captures a video as you're taking the picture, and then you get to see that as well. So I'll take a couple of pictures, and then you can see what I mean. So let's now have a look at the pictures. So there you see, if I flick between images, then you'll see the living image. It shows you those few frames before. This is the updated camera app, which has now got the pivots across the top instead of the hamburger menu down the side. And I think the photo app looks a lot better in this build. I think this was available for the previous, well, I know it was available for the previous build as well. But I think this looks better now with the pivots on there. I do like that much better. I think it looks more like Windows Phone, dare I say it. So what else has changed? Well, there's not a lot to change actually. I spent more time getting this video working than this build installed than I'm going to be talking about it. There's some differences for French pronunciations. You've got French language rules installed, and they fixed the issue where the camera shutter sound was missing in the sounds and settings, and that's now available as well. So really that's it to show you on this video. I just wanted to show you one thing. There you've got the updated Windows Update icon that was introduced in the previous build, and I just wanted to briefly show, there we are, 14951. So we are on the latest Insider build. So that's all I've got to show you on this build actually. It took me a lot longer to do than I normally would take, and less to see probably. But the changes there in the camera app and the Photos app. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully the next one will be easier to produce and with some more features.